and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Mining verdict in April. Apex Court orders constitution of a Mineral Development Fund. E-auction money to remain with government. Next hearing on 21st April. High Court points at Ravi Naik in bull attendant case. Court points out that most candidates hail from Ponda, candidates from Employment Exchange ignored. Sec Walanka Alemao and Francisco Sardinia from Congress. Babush Montserrat and Alex Reginald demand from party high command. First case of e-auction violation. Bagadia Brothers NOC kept on hold by the Mines Department. Bagadia's cargo leaving for Singapore stopped at MPT. And defending champions Pudari to meet Herald in Intermedia Cricket Final. Prudent and Electronic Media go down in semi-finals. And now the news in detail. The Supreme Court of India has confirmed that they will announce final verdict on Goa mining matter before the end of April. The Apex Court has ordered constitution of a Mineral Development Fund. The court has also ordered that money obtained from e-auctioning will remain with the state government till legality of each lease is verified. State government has been asked to pay 50% salaries of workers employed on mines from the e-auction money. The next hearing is scheduled on 21st April. Here are the exclusive details of the crucial proceedings on Thursday.
The crucial hearing on Goa mining matter did not go in favor of mining industry. The Supreme Court issued following crucial directions. Mineral Development Fund to be constituted on the lines of Karnataka. 10% of money obtained from e-auctioning to be used for the fund. 90% of money from e-auctioning to remain with state government. Decision about 90% money after verification of each lease. Money to remain with government if illegalities found with each lease. 50% salaries of workers employed on mines to be paid from 90% money. These directions have come as a setback for mining industry as a verification of each lease and evaluation of fulfillment of every legal parameter can go against most of the leases. Supreme Court has also questioned Goa government on how they want to handle leases more than 20 years old. Following procedure have been agreed upon to verify each lease. Directorate of Mines to conduct the process. Supreme Court's Monitoring Committee to supervise. Monitoring Committee to authorize legality of each lease. The central government has promised to appoint a mining regulator soon. The court has asked the capping committee to continue its work. Supreme Court has also maintained that capping of 20 million tons will remain in force till final report of the capping committee is submitted. The next hearing is scheduled on 21st April. Bureau Report, Prudent.
High Court's observation has hinted towards former Animal Husbandry Minister Ravi Naik in bull attendance recruitment case. The court in judgment passed a matter dealing with cancelled appointments in Animal Husbandry Department pointed out that previous Congress-led government appointed employees hailing from Ponda Taluka. The candidates from Employment Exchange were not considered as they were not sponsored.
The High Court has passed judgment in 4 petitions related with cancellation of the appointments of the petitioners to various posts in the Department of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Services. Present BJP government cancelled petitioners' appointments as they were appointed when Model Code of Conduct had come into force in view of the Assembly election in 2012. During hearing, state government informed the court that interviews of 1,457 candidates were conducted from 21st September 2011 to 29 September 2011. More than 100 candidates were interviewed on a single day. These interviews were for different posts with different categories conducted at once. Note of the pencil entries has been destroyed and not found. Members of the Departmental Selection Committee have not signed the minutes on the same day. The High Court in its judgment has given relief to some candidates, but the court has pointed out that some of the appointments were done illegally. Without taking name of any person or authority, the High Court has observed that majority of candidates hail from Ponda Taluka, different addresses for correspondence. Certificates of residence shows most of candidates from Ponda. Favoritism is accordingly alleged. Candidates from employment exchange not considered as they were not sponsored. But these observations are pointing towards former Minister of Animal Husbandry Ravi Naik. Anti-Corruption Bureau has booked Ravi Naik in a criminal case related with these illegal appointments. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Congress MLA Babush Monserrat and candidate Alex Reginald have demanded removal of Youth Congress President Valanka Alemao and sitting MP Francisco Sardinia from the Congress party. Kings of Valanka and Francisco are contesting against the Congress in the Lok Sabha poll. Meanwhile, Congress has demanded to probe the role of BJP coastal MLAs in politician drug mafia nexus case. Party has raised doubts on the House Committee report. Yet again, the sour feelings within the Congress party have come to the fore. Congress MLAs Alex Reginald and Babush Monserrat have demanded removal of Valanka Alemao and Francisco Sardinia from Congress party. Valanka Alemao's father Churchill Alemao is contesting on Trinamool Congress ticket and Francisco Sardinia's son Shalom Sardinia is contesting as an independent candidate in South Goa.
Whom she's going to vote? She's going to vote for the Congress. She's going to vote for the father. That let me ask a question. Why doesn't she come, instead of that, they tell her to come on the stage, on all the regional stage, and say, my father has dished the Congress. The very important thing is what now it is very clear that the son has revolted because of the father, and the father has revolted because of the daughter. It is very it is everything in a family affair. I think the first thing I appeal to the Congress High Command is to set Valanka as the president of the Youth Congress, because I think she has got no moral authority to stay there, and sack Sardin from the membership of the Congress party.
Babush has said it, so I think he has supported me, and he has come specially to support me here. I think I am in agreement with whatever he said.
Meanwhile, GPCC has demanded to investigate the role of coastal MLAs of BJP in drug politician mafia nexus case.
Let it be accepted first, then we'll take a stand.
Accepted or not, it doesn't matter. Are you questioning the report? आपको doubt है तो बोलो doubt है उसके बाद.
Yes, we have doubt on that.
उनके बांद्रे का क्वेश्चन लाइन है बीजेपी के आमदार ड्रग हेतून इन्वॉल्व असतात. Possibility है सर. Possibility आहे.
Research चालता म्हटल्यास त्यांना विचारचे वाटतं. तुम्ही विचारलं.
Should be checked.
I mean, investigation करच्या वाटतं. Yes, it should be probed. Investigation करच्या ना. It should be checked.
BJP MLA should be investigated into drugs mafia.
Investigation.
Reporters Mayur Naik and Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Chetan Gavas for Prudent. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.